Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Many a times you might come across situations wherein you have a number of contacts in an Excel file and you are having a task to create a WhatsApp group using those contacts. Well, the solution to your problem is here. All you will need is a laptop and a Google account to get through this. First of all, let us open Chrome with the desired Google account, and just on the top right you can see the Google Apps menu. From here we are going to find the contacts menu. So here you can see the contacts menu. Click on it. Right now you can see that there are 0 contacts. Even if you have contacts already saved to your Google account, then do not worry, you just have to continue the same process. Now firstly, I'm going to create a dummy contact by clicking on the create contact button. So let me say the first name is Vips and the mobile number. It is a dummy mobile number and click on save. Here you can see that we have one contact now and here are the details of that. Let me click on contacts again. Then on the top right you can see that there is a print, export and list settings. So I will be creating on the export button. It gives me a dialog box. I will be keeping Google CSV checked and click on export. The file name is contacts. Save it to your desired folder. I'll be saving it on desktop. Click on save button. Once the file is downloaded, let us open it. And here you can see that column A has first name and there are a number of columns. The column in which we will be interested is right here, column S, which is phone 1 van, and that is the dummy mobile number which we have given it. Now let me just minimize this. Now let us open the Excel file which contains the data which is needed to be added to the WhatsApp. I have already downloaded the file and saved it on desktop. I'll open it. So this Excel file has data of 97 people. We have the first name, last name and the respective mobile numbers. Now what I am going to do is I am going to copy all the mobile numbers and I will be opening Excel export file, and under column S I will be pasting it here. So here you can see that we have 97 data pasted. Now let us give them first name. So I will be giving them AA001, AA002 and so on. Let us use the autofill handle to complete the sequence. So we can see that we have 97 contacts more which have been added to this Excel file. I will be now deleting the dummy contact which I have added. So that's done. Let us save the file and close it. Also close the earlier Excel file. So this is the file which we are looking to upload on Google Contacts. Let me open Google Chrome one more time. And right now you can see that there is an import button right on the left menu. So we'll click on the import button. We have a dialog box asking us to select the file. Click on select file. Find out your file. This is the file which we just created. I'll select this and I'll click on import. You can also add an optional label so that it becomes easier for you to organize the contacts which you have added. I'll be leaving this right now, and next we are going to click on import button. It will take some time, and once we will be done, all the data will be reflecting over here, and we are done. You can see that all 97 contacts have been added, and including the dummy contact, it becomes 98. Now for the next part, I will be using my Android device. So right now what you are seeing is my Android device. Firstly, we are going to open settings. In the settings, look out for Google. Make sure that it is the same account in which you have uploaded the contacts. Click on all services. Scroll down to look out for Google Contact Sync. Now right now you can see that the sync is off. Click on the status and turn on the sync. You can see that 98 contacts have been just now synchronized to my Android device. Now open the contacts application. On the top right you can see that it is the same account and all the 98 contacts have been added to this particular Android device. Now for the last part, we are going to open WhatsApp. Click on the new chat button from the bottom right. Click on new group. and add the contacts which you have just created. And you can see that it gets very convenient since the name are showing us on the top of the list. If you would have given them actual name, then you would have to search every contact and then add it to the required group. Now once you are done selecting the names, which I suggest you should be not adding more than 50 at a time because WhatsApp blocked it considering spam. So you should add 50 contacts and then click on next. Give a group name, select the necessary group permissions and click on the next button and you are done. Hope this video helps you creating a WhatsApp group from an Excel file very quickly and save you a lot of time. If you have a suggestion or feedback, you may leave in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you so much for watching till the end.